No, you're not gonna pull on it.
Hank, it's a blanket. You steal towels, not blankets.
Hey.
Especially minky blankets.
Look at this. He's got like a death grip on it with his paws.
Hank, with his turkey legs.
Yep.
We got some turkey legs, some ham hocks.
I'm gonna put it up.
He says,
Hey, the blanket goes on the couch.
the heck we are.
All right, let's put it up.
Hank, you're tired.
Let me pick you up. Come on.
You're so cute.
Let's pick you up.
And there's Noxie being a good little angel baby.